Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off read receipt on Instagram direct message. So guys, first of all, open your Instagram application on your phone, and after that you are going to go to your Instagram direct message right here on the top right corner of your screen and select the room chat. You want to turn off the read receipt, and I'm gonna go with this room chat, so I'm tapping on this room chat. Then we can click on the account name right here guys, and you're going to select the privacy and safety option right here. Tap on it. Then we can simply tap on this toggle button to turn off the read receipt like this. And just remember guys that the setting won't be applied to all your room chats automatically. If you want to turn off read receipt for all your room chats, you have to do it one by one. And alright guys, that's how we can turn off read receipt on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.